How you can fix the Roblox error code 403. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how you can fix this. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Windows and here you have to press the window and R. Now here you have to go in the run and here in the run you have to type the app data and you just have to click on the OK. Now once you are in, you have to go in the local and from here you have to scroll down until you find the option of the Roblox. So once you find it, you just have to click on it and from here you have to go in this Roblox studio and from here you have to go in the web view, and if you don't want to go from the web view, for that you have to just go back and here you have to go in the variants and from here you just have to restart any of your Roblox Studio installer, and once you start it you just have to go into your Windows and here you have to go into the settings. So now once you are in the settings, from here you have to go in the network and the internet, and here you have to go in the Ethernet and here you have to make sure that your internet is reliable, because if your internet connection is not secure you are not able to fix this error. So first of all you have to make sure that you are using the internet reliable, and after that you just have to go back to your Roblox and here you have to restart any of the game that you want to play. So this is how you can fix the Roblox error code 403 authentication failed. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.